Woo yeah, another video after me not uploading for a long time. But I did reach 800 subscribers, so that's cool. Here I'm just putting on the concealer / foundation stuff. I put it on my eyelids kind of as a primer so the eyeshadow sticks better. And the powder just kind of sets it in nicely. Plucking some hairs out to make my eyebrows look a little nicer. I kind of like the thinner eyebrow look. For a while my eyebrows were growing out, and to fill them in, they ended up looking so big. I did not like it. This is more, I don't know, I feel like it suits my face better. I don't really want to have big clunky eyebrows. Nothing against you if you do though. And I always fill them in with eyeliner. I just think it works the best. I do the edges with eyeshadow because it just kind of fades it out a little. And now pretty much my eyes are just going to be covered in black eyeshadow, that's all. But get a nice, good blending brush because I've used some before in the past that do not blend very well, and it is a pain. But this one is pretty good. I put the shiny stuff in the inner corner and the top lid. Adds a nice little bling to it. Next, I'm doing my eyeliner. As you can see, I already did one eye, and I actually thought I was filming that one, but I guess not. But yeah, here I'm trying to make it symmetrical to the one I already did. Spoiler alert, it wasn't extremely symmetrical, but it's to the point where you can't really notice if you don't think about it that much, which is all I wanted. And then I'm kind of blending out the edges with the black eyeshadow because the eyeliner pen is dying, and I did not want to keep pushing it to fill out the whole thing. But yeah, as you can see, I'm having to go over the lines a lot because it is not doing so well. I'm gonna buy a new one soon anyway. Also, the song in the background is Don't You Want Me by the Human League. It's a pretty good song. I'm assuming most people already know it. Also, yeah, I got my lip pierced while I was disappeared from YouTube. I'm so glad I finally changed the freaking jewelry because the long bars, don't get me started on those. Felt like I was gonna break my teeth on them, especially the labret, I don't know, the one in the middle, that one sucked. On the lipstick, I ended up putting some black over it a little bit, and it didn't exactly blend out how I wanted. And then after that, I put silver on the top and the middle, and that one completely blended out exactly the wrong way. And then I just kind of tried to touch up the ends with some eyeliner a little bit, and that worked. So yeah, here's the finished look.